Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I am featuring a raw dish today. It's summer, and the zucchini is a great summertime vegetable, often grown in overabundance if you have a garden. So here's one of the things that you can do with it. This is part of my summer vegetable series, which I started off with the patty pan squash. And so today I'm doing the zucchini, and basically I turned them into pasta shapes, hence zucchinicine, because I think zoodle is way too boring. So there's zucchinicine in a creamy garlic sauce. It's all raw. What I did with the garlic, I crushed it and I soaked it in a little bit of lime juice to take the raw edge off, because it's not going to be cooked. And then I added it to some unroasted cashews and made cashew cream, and tossed the zucchinicine in with the cashew cream and a little bit of salt and some black pepper. So I'll have a little taste. And I really don't like zucchini. This is one of the ways that I enjoy eating it, because I really don't like it when it's cooked. Okay, very long zucchinicine. Hang on. I don't want to dribble it all over the camera. Garnished with a little fresh basil. I didn't put any basil in the sauce. I could have. But to me, it's just perfect just the way it is. The garlic is not too strong. The lime juice adds just a touch of actually sweetness rather than tartness. It's a very nice summery dish. The thing that you have to remember that a lot of raw foodists make mistakes when they're new. This is not a pasta replacement. There's practically no calories in this except for the cashew cream sauce. So this is basically a salad. It's a fancy way to have a salad. It is not a pasta substitute, not in calories or carbohydrate. So think of it as a salad, a nice creative way to do a salad. You can get one of those spiralizers, or you can just use a vegetable peeler. I didn't bother to peel my zucchini. And you just turn them into, pasta shapes. And you can put any sauce you want. A lot of raw foodists put like a raw tomato marinara kind of thing. That would be even fewer calories than this. But it's still a nice, tasty, light, different, refreshing way to have zucchini in the summertime. So I will have the recipe on my blog. I will link to it in the description. I will link to the previous video. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional kitty videos on Catterday. Thank you, everyone, again, as always. I really do appreciate it. I'm not just saying that. Most of the videos I watch, people are saying, oh, don't forget to do this, don't forget to do that. It helps me out, Well, thank you. Thank you if you do those things. Hardly anybody thanks anyone for, leaving a comment or pressing the like button. Okay, I've got kitties crying for zucchini. This is one of their favorite vegetables. They know the plate's full of zucchini. So I better make this quick, but thank you for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. And I will see you later, guys.